The smartphone landscape is continually evolving, and Apple never fails to surprise us. The latest buzz surrounds the iPhone SE 4, which is poised to be a formidable contender in the budget smartphone market. With a price tag expected to be under $500, the iPhone SE 4 offers impressive upgrades that might make it the best budget smartphone ever. In this video, we will delve into the key features and innovations that make the iPhone SE 4 a standout device. Since 2016, the iPhone SE series has retained the old home button design with a compact 4.7-inch screen. However, Apple is making significant changes with the iPhone SE 4, transitioning to a more contemporary look. The SE 4 will adopt a design reminiscent of the iPhone 14 from 2022, but it's far from a mere copy-paste job. This new model boasts several smart upgrades. One of the most noticeable changes is the introduction of a 6.1-inch edge-to-edge screen. Gone are the days of bezels and the home button. This larger display offers considerably more space to work with, enhancing the overall user experience. Perhaps the most exciting news is the shift from the traditional LCD to an OLED display. This change marks the first time a budget iPhone comes equipped with OLED technology. The benefits are substantial: better colors, true blacks, and sharper picture. While the iPhone SE 4 will retain the notch seen in the iPhone 14, it will be smaller. Additionally, the SE 4 will support Face ID, moving away from the Touch ID fingerprint sensor. It's worth noting that the iPhone SE 4 won't include a super smooth 120Hz display refresh rate. Apple reserves this premium feature for their higher-end models, and even the $800 iPhones don't come with it yet. So, budget seekers will have to wait longer for this feature to trickle down. Another major upgrade is the replacement of the classic mute switch with an action button. Previously exclusive to Pro models, the action button makes its way to the iPhone SE 4, adding a level of functionality previously unseen in budget iPhones. Finally, Apple is making a pivotal change by switching the charging port from Lightning to USB-C. This move standardizes the charging across all iPhones, making it more convenient for users who have been waiting for this change. The iPhone SE 4 is shaping to be one of the most exciting budget smartphones we have ever seen. For under $500, Apple is delivering significant upgrades: a modern design featuring a large OLED screen, a more powerful camera system, extended battery life, the integration of Face ID, the addition of the action button, and the shift to USB-C all make this phone feel fresh and future-ready. By incorporating features from flagship models, Apple is raising the bar for what a budget smartphone can offer. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews.